In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make greeting cards on Canva. Whether you're looking to create something for a special occasion or simply want to design your own personalized card, Canva is a versatile platform that's just perfect for this task. Let's dive into the process, and you'll see how easy and fun it is to craft your own greeting cards. To begin your creative journey, you'll want to open Canva in your web browser. Once you're there, use the search bar conveniently located at the top of the page. Type in greeting card and be prepared to be amazed by a wide array of options. The search function is incredibly powerful and efficient, filtering through thousands of stunning templates tailored for different occasions. This feature makes it much easier for you to find exactly what you need without sifting through pages of unrelated content. As soon as you've entered your search, take your time browsing through the available templates. You'll discover designs perfect for birthdays, holidays, thank you notes, and much more. This exploration phase is crucial. Finding the right template is essential, so don't rush this step. Picking a template that best suits your occasion or message will lay down a solid foundation for your design. Once you've zeroed in on the ideal template, it's time to make it your own. Look for the option that says, Customize this template, and click on it. This click will transport you to a new page where you can start personalizing your card to your liking. This is where the real fun begins, as you can truly let your creativity flow. On this customized page, you'll find a wide array of editing tools at your disposal. A good starting point is the text. Click on the text area of your card to begin editing. Canva simplifies the process of modifying the wording, so go ahead and infuse your personalized touch. You might be writing a heartfelt message for someone special or crafting a playful note for a friend. Whatever your occasion may be, this is your chance to express exactly what's on your mind. Feel free to play around with the different fonts and colors available to match the card's overall theme. Canva offers a delightful selection of fonts, enabling you to capture the desired mood and tone. Colors are equally important and can significantly enhance the overall design, so make sure to experiment with mixing and matching different hues to see what works best. Once your text and design elements are in place, take a moment to review your card. Ensure that everything looks just the way you envisioned it. Check for spelling, ensure colors complement one another, and confirm that the layout is visually pleasing. Once you're satisfied, it's time to download your masterpiece. You can either print your card at home or send it digitally for instant delivery. And there you have it. You've successfully designed a beautiful greeting card using Canva. It's a simple yet rewarding process that you can easily repeat for all your card-giving needs. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you enjoy bringing your own unique designs to life. Thanks for tuning in, and happy crafting.